Question: sexual reproduction shown by members of brown algae is answer: isogenes, B. anisogenes, and C. oogenes. Next question: some cnidaries, example coral, have a skeleton composed of answer: calcium carbonate. Next question: egg apparatus of angiosperm contain answer: one egg cell and B. two cnidaries. Next question: which is not a distinctive character of non-chordata? Answer: heart is ventral. Next question: the following feature belongs to answer: pinna is present, heart is four-chambered, warm-blooded, the codont and heterodont teeth. These are mammals features. Next question: piriform gametes means answer: pear-shaped gametes. Question: what is correct about birds? Answer: air sac is connected to lungs which help in respiration. B. Hind limbs possess scales and are modified for walking, swimming, and clasping. And C. Separate sexes, internal fertilization, oviparous, and direct development. Next question: fertilization in brown algae occur in answer: water and within ozone. Next question: select correct matching. Answer: Loctus is correct with Loctus. Concordia is with C. Concord, and Henchions is C. Urachin. Next question: embryo sac of angiosperm possess answer: eggs, apparatus, B. cynegrids, and C. antipodals. Next question: the fundamental characteristics of chordate is answer: notochord, B. dorsal hull nerve cord, and C. paired pharyngel gill shields. Next question: mammals means organism which possess answer: mammary gland. Question: the arrangement of flagella in brown algae is answer: two unequal and laterally arranged. Next question: the pistil in flower encloses answer: one too many ovules. Next question: the body which is cylindrical and composed of anterior proboscis and a collar and a long trunk is found in answer: Saccoglossus. Next question: which is incorrect about words? Answer: endoskeleton consists of feathers, scales, beaks, and claws. Next question: the biflageate pear-shaped zoospore are characterized of answer: brown algae. Next question: select the correct matching answer: Pentula with C. pen. Next question: embryo sac is angiosperm is answer: highly reduced female gemophyte. Next question: the excretory organ of proboscis gland is present in answer: Saccoglossus. Question: male cells organ in flower is answer: stamens. Next question: larva of hemichordate is answer: Tornaria. Next question: are all are flying birds from the following aspects? Answer: haptodontids. Next question: zoospore of brown algae are answer: biflagellate. Next question: cyanodoblast is used for answer: encourage difference capture of prey. Next question: the female cells organ of flower is called answer: pistil. Next question: which is correct about reproduction in hemachordata? Answer: sexes are separate. Next question: penumate bones are present in answer: curves, neoprone, and pava.